In this video, I'm going to show you how you can quickly set your privacy settings up in Facebook. Now, why would you want to do this? Well, I've been getting concerned about political parties targeting me with their ads. It actually happened today. I've been concerned about my friends playing those games or doing surveys on Facebook where the companies not only get access to their information but also get my information because I'm their friend. So I decided to go in and just harden my Facebook privacy settings. Here's how you do it. Click on that little drop down arrow in the top right hand corner and then go over to settings, and then on the left you want to click on privacy, and I'll just zoom in so this is easier for you to see. So here's the settings I'm using. Who can see your future posts? Well, only my friends can, because I don't want people just searching for it on Google or searching for it in Facebook and seeing sort of private conversations between me and my friends. Review all your posts and things you're tagged in. So you use activity log to see that, to see who's posting about you, to see what you've posted. Limit the audience for posts you've shared with friends of friends or public. So with this, you can actually click on that and limit your past posts as well, so only your friends can see them. Because what happens is like political parties, if you've liked a political party's page, they can use software to read all of your posts and know which way you're politically leaning, and then they can send you ads based on that, and we don't want that. Who can send you a friend request? So you might be getting lots of friend requests which are really just, you know, Russian spammers or porn sites trying to get you to like them so they can redirect you to their website. So if you're not a friend of any of my present friends, then it's probably unlikely that you're going to send me a friend request. And if you know my name, you can find me on Google and contact me that way anyway. So I just say only friends of friends can send a friend request. Who can see your friends? Only friends should be able to. So even if a friend makes a mistake and plays one of those stupid games, Facebook games, that give their information to the software company, that software company, I'm sure, well, I'm not sure actually, I'm pretty sure they won't be able to see my details. Who can look you up using the email address you provided? Again, only friends of friends. If this is public, it's really easy to correlate spam email lists with your Facebook profile. Who can look you up using your phone number? Again, only friends of friends, because you can easily go out and pay a couple of $100 and get literally thousands of phone numbers and then correlate those with Facebook profiles. Do you want search engines outside of Facebook to link to your profile? And I've said no. So that's really hardened up my privacy. And if you'd like to be a bit more private on Facebook as well and really only liaise with your friends and see relevant posts, then I'd suggest you do the same.